Hi, my name's Alan from the Window Repair People, and in this video we're going to show you what you can expect when we arrive at your home. The first thing that we'll do is we'll assess the issues that you know you have. After that, if you'd like, we can go through your whole house and do a full report. What we'll do is we'll go through every window and every door and we'll make sure it's working correctly and everything is good and tight.
I know you haven't noticed.
Once we have a report done, we'll be able to give you a full quote for any works that need to be completed. Which means that on one call, we can call out, assess the issues you have and give you a quote to complete the work. If you're happy to go ahead, we can do the work straight away. When it comes to payments, we take cash or card.
And the moment comes.